Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to learn or teach you how to find your watch history on Facebook. So that will include the videos you have watched, reels, etc. So you can follow up this process. So open up Facebook for that, and then if you are not logged in yet, you can log in into your account. And then once you are logged in, you can look out for the menu option in the top right corner and tap on it. Now that you've tapped on it, the menu appears here. You may scroll to the given options and head over until you find the option for settings and privacy. Scroll down and find it up and tap on it. And another menu appears. Look out for the settings option from here. Go ahead and tap on it. And that should open up your settings. Now, what you may do is scroll through the given options once again. And once you scroll, you will be finding a section called Your Activity. Once you find it up, you will look out for the option called Activity Log and go ahead and tap on it. And that is where Facebook will be keeping record of your actions. So what you can do is you can basically go ahead and look out for your Facebook activity, expand it up, and from here find the section for videos that you've watched. You can just go and look out for that here. Or if you do not find it here, what you can do is you can just scroll up and directly look out for this menu right here. From here, you can just swipe right until you find an option called Videos Watched. So head over and find it up and go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, there we go. Here it will show you the history of the videos that you watched, for including its date. So it will show you logged actions and other activity as well. Here you can look out for the videos that you watched, and there you will be seeing the videos you viewed in the past in date order. And that's it. So these are the solutions you can follow up if you want to watch the video history that you watched on your Facebook application. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.